10 shocking facts about Greek gods you never knew. 1. The Greek gods were not immortal. While they were incredibly long-lived, they could still be killed. 2. The gods were not all-powerful. They had limitations and could be outsmarted or overpowered. 3. The gods were not always benevolent. They could be petty, jealous, and vengeful. 4. The gods were not always faithful. They had many affairs and children with mortals and other gods. 5. The gods were not always human-like. Some were depicted as half-human, half-animal, or even completely monstrous. 6. The gods were not always worshipped. Some were feared or even hated by mortals. 7. The gods were not always consistent. Their stories and attributes varied across different regions and time periods. 8. The gods were not always gendered. Some were considered genderless or had fluid gender identities. 9. The gods were not always depicted in a positive light. Some Greek philosophers criticized the gods for their immoral behavior. 10. The gods were not always the only supernatural beings in Greek mythology. There were also nymphs, satyrs, and other creatures that played important roles in stories.